You have a salon, gym, yoga center, cosmetic, or any shop related to women's niches and wanna grab the attention of targeted customers in your area. Watch this video till the end. In this video, I gonna share how you can target local audiences with Pinterest ads by targeting exact audience or exact area using advanced targeting with postal code of every specific area you wanna target. Pinterest ads is much cheaper than Facebook or Meta ads, and you can gain 5 times better result on Pinterest than Facebook. I believe if your business is based in the USA and you wanna make local ads, then there is no better place than Pinterest. I'll share my screen and guide you through every single step so you can start running successful local Pinterest ads today.
So here you can see this is one of our client account, and on this account we're gonna run local ads today. And on this account, as you can see, they have already made some content. They are all actually a eyebrow artist, eyebrow and eyelash artist. So they are basically, as you can see, they go to every single state of United States and they just teach their student of in that location, and that's why they need to target the local ads. So they need to target the local audience. So simply here you can see, at first I will definitely suggest to set up your Pinterest account perfectly. So this way, as you can see, they have already set up their profile perfectly using the proper name, profile, description. They have already connected their domain with their website with the Pinterest. They already uploaded so many amazing content. So when they have they go to their targeted audience, if they see their profile, and definitely if you want to purchase anything, you definitely try to verify their work, right? That's why to verify their work, to convert your audience perfectly, you need to upload some amazing content. So here you can see they have uploaded some amazing content, and if anyone wanna purchase from them, you wanna purchase their course, they can see their work. As you can see. So if you wanna to buy from them, so definitely you can get a good confidence after seeing their profile. So that's why I will always suggest you to set up your Pinterest first before running ads. And I have already shared a video how you can set up your Pinterest account perfectly. So it's pretty simple. Just go and upload some content, set up your Pinterest account perfectly. So simply from that time, I'm not gonna make this video longer so that you take your time. So you just simply click on create campaign. So from create campaign, it will appear here. So I already set up everything so that it didn't take your time. Okay. So from there, you need to choose a campaign subject, right? If it's a conversion, catalog sale, consideration. So I always suggest conversion because drive people to take action to your website. So we want our audience to convert, and we want them to drive to our website and take action. So just go to click on conversion. Give it a name to ad campaign, take your budget, and here go. You can see this is the campaign, and then we click on continue. So this was our campaign, this is our ad group, and this is the ad. So as you know that we are targeting different place of the country and different states. So that's why for different state we make a different ad account. So you can see there's a different ad for different state and different ad group. So in one campaign, we make different ad group so that we can target. So here you can see in this campaign, we have make a ad group. So go to ad group, and from there, so here you can see targeting strategy. There are 3 targeting strategy. One is reconnecting with the user, find new customer, choose your own. Well, if you run in Pinterest, let's say $20,000 of ads, you already run, and you want to connect with your audience again. So you're going to choose with reconnecting. If you need new customer, then you want to choose find new customer. And if you choose your own, let's say you want to choose your every single audience, which audience you want to target actually. So you can go with the choose your own. So I'm going to go with the find new customer. From there, we directly land into the targeting details. So in targeting details, we don't need to do anything. From there, we simply go, it's optional, like as you can see, we simply go to interest and keyword. Let's go. So from the interest and keyword, as we are in the beauty industry, we simply click on beauty, and we're going to target the beauty industry at first. So we are targeting the whole beauty industry, and for the maximize the result, maximize the exact targeted audience, we gonna add some keyword. So here you can see I already set up some keyword. I will always suggest there are 33 keyword. I always suggest to choose 25 to 100 keyword in every single campaign actually. So how you can add? So I have added here. You will simply need to click on extend your reach. From here, let's say let's say beauty. Let's say we have right beauty. So from there are so many keyword will appear, and we just need to click here. So as you can see, if we just click on a beauty wallpaper, so it's a beauty wallpaper. As you can see, this it will add here. It was 33, it's 25. And beauty hacks, so as you can see, 36 beauty hacks. So this way you're gonna add your keyword actually. So give it a little bit of research and add the exact keyword. So it's very important. The main important is connect your local areas, right? How you can run the ads using the postal code. Where I will recommend Pinterest for local ads if you are living in the United States and if you are targeting women's, because in Pinterest you can very low budget, you can get a broad audience, right? And you can target your audience, go in front of the exact audience in a very simple way. So in the demographic, here you go. You're gonna choose female as a makeup. We're gonna choose female, and as it's a course, we need some young people. We need some young girls to connect with me. That's why we choose 18 to let's say 49, because some older people also wanted to. I mean, they have to follow their passion. So yeah. From there, the main thing is location. There's a all US location, and pick your specific location. We have choose pick specific location. From there we simply go to postal code. Here you can see postal code I have already added. So from there I'm gonna teach you how you can add US at the front. So from there add postal code. So how you can add, you just need to simply go to ChatGPT. Well, let's say I go to ChatGPT and I have give me all the postal code of Miami City in Florida, and add US clone, add of every single code. So in that form, here you can see they have given me so many postal code. So we're gonna choose first, let's choose 3. Let's add here. Let's so as you can see, in that form you need to add every single code. US clone, let's say that use the code directly and click on continue. Yes, so here you can see our code is match. If the code didn't match, it will go in the error. So as our code is okay, so it's in match. So we simply click on add match. There's in this 3 area we have 10,000 audience. So yeah. So in the language, so let's go this way. You're gonna add your postal code actually. It's pretty simple. And if you have any kind of question or want any help from me, and if you want me to any kinds of and help you, so please feel free to connect with me. I definitely will help you. And if you want me to do your project, to help you with your project, we have a Pinterest marketing team, and I personally gonna help you with the ad strategy. We sit together and we're gonna scale your business from Pinterest in a very easy way. So yeah. So from there we're gonna go with the all language. So normally we're gonna target all language. And device, here's the thing. So normally when people don't buy from web, actually they go to web when they're trying to research. We have find 0.0% people are buying from mobile web. So we can not choose. They normally buy from their iPhone, iPad, tablet, and mobile phone from mobile apps actually. So we're gonna go with these 3 and go little down. From there, in the optimization and delivery, we're gonna choose out of add to cart checkout. We're gonna go with the checkout. In the billing here we can see billing is already connected. And from the ads, you just simply need to add, that means our video, image, or anything, our material, what we need to choose as ads. So here you can see we have already added the images, and if you want to create one, you just need to create ads. In the create ads, choose your file, title, give it a description, give it a alert text and destination link where you want your people to drive in, let's say your website. And if you have already made the pin, you just need to simply select pin and choose, let's say this one, and add. So this way, as you can see, this is already added. And in the action button, if you want to change the button, let's say try it, watch now, learn more, and explore more, simply just choose your action button, and from there you just need to publish. So here is the thing. This is a campaign, this is the ad group, and this is the ads. Let's say we're gonna target different language, different states, so that's why we make different ad group. Let's say Francisco CA and Los Angeles. As if we're gonna target different language and different state, so we're gonna choose different ad group. So this way we will move forward actually. So this is pretty simple. You just need to spend some time in Pinterest ad section so that you can get a little comfortable. So this is very simple, and from there you just need to click save edit. So in my here it's a save edit, but from your end it will be publish. So you just from there you just need to simply publish, right? And here you go, your ad is live. This way you're gonna run the ads. So this is for today. If you like the video, please feel free to subscribe and like, and if you want me to help, I'm always here. Thank you.